This is Motorola Moto E6S, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up the parental controls for this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch settings, then enter the Google category. In here, make sure that you have no accounts linked to your system currently, so no accounts are being displayed over here. If there are any, as it is in my case, you have to remove them by tapping at the account itself, then go for the manage accounts on this device option. In here, make sure to remove all the Google accounts like so. Once all accounts were successfully deleted, just re-enter the Google page. Next, we can finally start the setup procedure of parental controls. So tap on the respective option over here, then get started, child routine. Next, now we'll have to wait for a little bit. In here, tap on the add or create the account for a child option. If you have already if you have an account that you were planning to use, you can just sign in. If not, create one. In my case, I have a Google account in my hands already, so I'll simply enter the credentials for it. So I'll start with email, obviously. It's not like I have a choice, but still. Then I'll quickly enter the password for it off the screen. So will you have to do that as well? Next, at the following page, once the password has been entered, choose whatever option. As for now, if you are signing into Google account, just go for the I will be using this device. Do not go for the my child will be using this device option, because it will mess up with the setup a little bit. So it doesn't really affect anything at this point. We just log into our Google account. So in here, tap on the accept button. Finally, choose the account that we have recently entered over here from the list if you have many, which you do not have to. You have to not. Next, we'll need to enter the credentials for parents account, or the Google account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. So I'll enter the email, then password. In here, excuse me, scroll the page all the way down in order to confirm that the four used or four pointed out, whatever, accounts will be linked, and one will become parents and one will become child's, respectively. So enter the the password to the child's Google account to confirm the linking procedure. In here, go for the activate this device admin app. Wait for the accounts to be respectively linked. Then next. In here you can manage apps, turn them on or off if you want to, but you will also be able to do that later on. So as for now, I'll just skip this step. The same applies for the filters and content restrictions. You will be also able to configure those settings on later. At the following page, if the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you will use as parent, you can just tap on the blue button and the needed app will automatically get downloaded onto the device that is written over here. In my case, it is not true, unfortunately, so I'll just skip this step and finalize the setup manually. So everything that needed to be done on the child's end, we've successfully did. So now you need to take the parent's device, download the Family Link app from the Google Play or Google Play Store for free. Then launch it. In here, make sure to choose the account that you have earlier identified as the one that belongs to the supervisor. Then continue. And in here, as you can see, we have our Motorola E6S. In here, we can set up daily limits for the child, some routine or downtime, configure app activity or monitor app activity and set up some app limitations. apply content restrictions, configure account settings, manage devices, and what's not. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as the setting up parental controls goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.